Do you want to attract more pollinators to your garden? Understanding their value is key to a thriving garden. We'll explore 5 superior pollinator-friendly plants that will turn your garden into a buzzing paradise. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into each of these wonderful plants. First on our list is the fragrant lavender. This hardy perennial is a pollinator's paradise, attracting bees and butterflies alike. Lavender thrives in well-drained soil and full sun, making it an easy choice for any garden. With lavender, your garden will not only smell amazing, but it will also be buzzing with life. Next up, we have the sunny and radiant sunflowers. These towering beauties are a favorite among bees, butterflies, and birds. Easy to grow, they thrive in sunny spaces and well-drained soil. Sunflowers will truly add a touch of sunshine to your garden. Moving on to number 3, we have the vibrant coneflowers. Known for their attractive petals and nectar-rich center, they're a favorite among bees and butterflies. To grow, simply sow in well-drained soil and enjoy full sun. Coneflowers will bring a splash of color and a crowd of pollinators to your garden. A fourth on our list are the beautiful marigolds. These vibrant flowers attract pollinators like butterflies and bees. Marigolds are easy to grow, just ensure they get plenty of sunlight. Remember, marigolds will not only beautify your garden, but also invite a host of pollinators. Last but not least, we have the aromatic rosemary. This perennial herb not only adds flavor to your meals, but also attracts a variety of pollinators. Thriving in well-drained soil and full sun, rosemary will fill your garden with a delightful scent and an array of pollinators. So, there you have it, the top 5 plants to attract pollinators to your garden: lavender, sunflowers, coneflowers, marigolds, and rosemary. Each of these plants not only add beauty to your garden, but also play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy ecosystem. So why not give it a try? Plant these in your garden and watch it flourish with life and color. Don't forget to share your results with us, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.